everyone! In this topic, we're gonna learn about heat conduction. What is heat conduction? Heat conduction is a process whereby heat is transferred through a solid from a region of high temperature to a region of lower temperature. If we heat a metal wire, you will notice after a few minutes, the wire gets warm and the temperature rises to an extent where you cannot hold the wire anymore. This is because heat is transferred through the wire due to vibration of atoms within the wire. So, what is the example of heat conduction in our daily life? The first one is heating pan on a stove, ironing our clothes, ice or chocolate melting on hand, and many more. Next, we want to discuss about graph of temperature distance for heat conduction through insulated and non-insulated rod, which is maximum 2 rods in series. What is insulated rod? Insulated rod is a rod that is completely covered with an insulator. Meanwhile, non-insulated rod is a rod that is not covered with an insulator. For insulated rod, as you can see, no heat loss to the side surface of the rod because it is covered with insulator, and all the heat flow from the hot end of A to the cold end of B. So the graph gonna look like this, and the temperature varies linearly with distance along the rod. Decreasing of temperature is uniform. For non-insulated rod, because the rod is not insulated, heat is lost to the surrounding from the sides of the rod. Temperature distance graph is a curve. The decreasing of temperature is not uniform. And loss of heat at A is greater than loss of heat at B. For combination of rod in series, maximum 2 insulated rod. Since rods are insulated, no heat loss to the surrounding. The temperature varies linearly with distance, so we have straight line graph. Values of thermal conductivity K are different, thus the temperature gradient are different for both rods. Gradient of the line is inversely proportional to the value of thermal conductivity K. Next, if K1 is smaller than K2, graph line of metal 1 is steeper compared to metal. The last one is combination of rod in series for two non-insulated rods. Since the rod is not insulated, the heat will lost to the surrounding. The temperature decreases non-uniformly with distance gonna form a curved line graph. Values of K are different, thus the curves are different for both rods as shown in figure. Now, let's test your understanding. Two properly insulated uniform rods D and E make a thermal contact at one end as shown in figure below. The question is, you have to sketch and label a graph to show the variation of temperature with distance x along D and E. Now, let's look at the solution. So, if you get a T against X graph like this, then you are correct. So, that's all for today's topic. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.